Alright, so we have our potato lasagna. It's rested for about 10 minutes or so. You can see it's nice and loose. Hopefully there's not going to be much fight to this. What I'm going to do is I have a very large spatula I've picked up somewhere in my life. I'm going to hold it against the bottom. When doing this, a sheet pan would work great. I'm going to go ahead and use this my cutting board because it does have the ridge around the outside to cut the butter, because there will be a good bit, or catch the butter, so there will be a good bit of butter. I'm just going to try as quickly as I can in one motion to flip it over and then gently release it. Now this, once it's here, I want to let this sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. This is something too, if you were doing this ahead of time, at this point you could flip it onto a pan, put it in the fridge, let it cool down, and it'll be a lot easier to slice. I'm not working that far ahead, so we'll just let that rest there for a little bit, and then we'll come back to it whenever we go to plate and put our sauce together. You can see all the nice caramelization we have there. That's the cheese, that's the butter, that's kind of everything that's with it. I'm actually pretty happy. This is the first time in a couple of years I made these. So, and the idea of this is with the potatoes and the cheese and everything is you get a nice crunch on the outside, and the inside is almost kind of a creaminess to it, so that you get like that two different worlds of texture kind of idea. So let's get back and check on our sauce, finish our balsamic sauce, and then we'll bounce back and do some plating.